Hi, I'm Gary Klaus for Howell Rescue Systems. One of the things that we fall short on occasion when we come to an MVA is a simple series of hand tools that we need to complete the job. One of the ways that Howell Rescue Systems has addressed this problem is with the Crash Vehicle Kit. A handy kit with all the tools you need to start the extrication in one simple carrying case. Outside of the kit itself, we have a hard protection to use for patient protection. Inside the case are all the hand tools we need to start. You have a rescue blanket for patient security. You have a heavy-duty seatbelt cutter, one of the things that we often fall short on. Plug and dike and gloves for leaking fluids. On the opposite side, the entire series of hand tools. Spring punch, paint pencil for marking, knife and magnet to determine what's aluminum and what's steel, crescent wrench, channel locks, battery cable cutters. A pry tool, probably one of the finest tools you can have to remove plastic. Very small, very lightweight, very agile. A lot easier to work with than a big Halligan bar. You have a glass saw, glass removal tool, simple and easy to operate. This fork is for windows that are partially down. You can simply put it on, twist to the side. It has an additional spring punch in the top. One thumb screw opens the blade to the stop, and you're ready to remove glass. This kit also comes with an additional blade. Very nice, very simple, very easy kit for you to have. Very easy to operate with, and order at howellrescuesystems.com.